Yes.
Ano nga kainin mo? Ang sabi,
Habang naghihintay ka.
hindi ka nagkakaroon. Kung meron mo kang job na inaharvestan ko na rin per month, dapat meron ako
Ilalim.
Yes po. O, 7 to weekly. Masama pa ba yun?
At lettuce lang yan, ha?
Lettuce lang, sustainable hindi.
Sustainable.
Sustainable kakain ka araw-araw? Yes.
This gentle but powerful belief guides Maria Magdalena Rivas as she teaches practical farming and good entrepreneurship. With patience and care, Max supports fellow farmers, helping them make the most of their land and their dreams. Her love for the community shines brightly, reminding everyone that with the right guidance, they are never alone on their journey.
O ganito, sasabihin na rin, hindi mo lang kami bakit pera tayo sa marketing.
Ayan na naman. Oh.
The power of social media.
Okay.
So meron kang Facebook, meron kang
YouTube.
TikTok, meron kang YouTube, meron kang IG, meron kang LinkedIn, meron kang lahat ng kahit anong ano. At meron na rin yan. Kaya mag-business ng atsara. Ibibenta na tayo sa mga ng atsara. No. Pagtatanin ko sa'yo ng atsara, nag-flex ka na,
Maria Magdalena Rivas, People's Choice Award.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so there you have it. You saw that video feature. This year's People's Choice Award is... Let's welcome Maria Magdalena Rivas. Hello, Sir Buddy. Let's stay here at the center. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for this year's People's Choice Award, Miss Maria Magdalena Rivas, or Miss Max. Please stay here at the center, ma'am. We hold that for you as you deliver a message.
Thank you very much for the activities, how it works. Hindi ko alam ang layo na pala narating ko. Akala ko nagpa-interview lang ako kay Sir Buddy. Sir Buddy, thank you very much. Ang dami nating na-reach. So for that, I congratulate. Maraming salamat po. It's truly a very overwhelming experience for me. Thank you very much.
And madam, congratulations on your business. Anything you'd like to say about it po to everybody?
Yes, continue. Yung dami ko na-meet kanina, gusto mag-venture in agriculture. Ang sabi ko, mag-benchmarking muna kayo na mag-benchmarking. Pag alam mo na yung gagawin niyo, saka kayo mag-start. Don't kayong kumuha ng consultant, i-adapt niyo kung ano meron kayo sa farm. Yun lang po, at lang po ako kung gusto niyo makipag-talk o makipag-gano, at lang po ako para sa inyo. Salamat po.
Congratulations, ma'am. You are the People's Choice Award winner. Yes. What a beautiful award that you've just received. Okay, so thank you very much, Miss Maria Magdalena Rivas, or Miss Max. Next, we are proceeding to the next award.